What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life. Today's video you join me in front of the Vauxhall Corsa C for a quick tutorial on how to remove and replace the cabin filter, otherwise known as the pollen filter. It's dead important that this gets done. It's a job that gets overlooked a lot, and this filters any crap in the air and the carbon in the air that comes into the cabin that you breathe in, so it's an important one to get done. So join me now and we'll crack on. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is open your bonnet, as I've done here, and then head straight over to this area here. It's roughly underneath this plastic cover. So the first thing you want to do is get a T25, a Torx bit, the Torx 25 bit, and undo this screw here. I've noticed on some of them you seem to have a catch around here somewhere, and it'll either be the T25 bit like this one, or an 8mm nut or bolt. One of the two, so 8mm bolt or T25, and I've seen that some of them seem to have some air. I don't know if I put that back on wrong and covered it up. So get that off first, that's the first bit. Right, so I've pulled this flap off here. It just sort of, it's tucked under, so you just sort of get one side and pull it out and it comes out like so. Also, I didn't mention it, but before you do that, this piece of rubber that goes across here, just get it at one end and just literally pull it off, pull it up and off that metal, and it will reveal the edge of this plastic so you can pull this flap up. Also, this flap here is loose, so you can just do that to get to this wire. This is your battery lead. You see, you've got to get this out of the way of this plastic. It's a bit tight down here, but it does just clear it. Like so. Now, you can get under this plastic here. You don't use a screwdriver. It's a bit tight at one end, and pop this plastic up. Right guys, you'll now be able to bend this plastic up a bit, revealing this filter here. This is the pollen filter or cabin filter. Your car should have some sort of plastic straps that go down there and hold it in tight, coming off these clips. They've been snapped off on this at some point, I don't know how. Just want you to get a little flat screwdriver and the tabs and unclip the straps, and then you can quite simply get your fingers in, squeeze the filter out like so, and pull it up and out. And guys, that is a cabin filter. So to get your new one, you've got to look at the airflow arrows. So as you can see here, you've got arrows showing you which way the airflow goes. So obviously this is flowing into the car, so you want the arrows to point that way. And you'll simply hold this plastic back out of the way. It's better with two hands, I'm filming as I'm doing this. Slide the filter back into position. Like so. So it's a lot easier with two hands. And just like that, your new cabin filter is back in place. Now it's just a case of getting these plastic trims back down. Also too, when you take the old one out, just give the inside a bit of a clean, the plastic housing that it sits in, make sure there's no bits of crap there. You can clip this wire back in. So like that, it just slots back down behind the metal. So all this plastic here wants to sit behind this metal groove, like so. Now we're going to get this flap, stick it back in here, push that back down. Put your T25 bit back in there. By the way, that flap wants to go under this. So, like so. There we go. Fits a bit better. And now you can get your rubber. Simply squeeze it back on. And that, guys, is everything back. Nice short simple one for you, something you can do at home, on your driveway, in your garage. No need to take it to a garage, professional garage to do. That guys is how to remove and replace the carbon filter slash pollen filter slash cabin filter, whatever you want to call it, on the Vauxhall Corsa C. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and want to see more content on the Vauxhall Corsa, Fiat Grande Punto, Vauxhall Astra and many more to come, hit that subscribe button. Until next time guys, peace.